Hello friends, this is Durga again from ITversity, a one-stop shop for all IT technologies. In this video, as part of Apple Mac for IT professionals, I will try to cover how you can actually connect to the remote Windows systems. So typically uh, in Windows, you use remote desktop connection to connect to the remote servers. Similarly, for Mac also they provide a client called Remote Desktop Connection Client. We have to download that, install that, and we can use that to connect to the remote Windows-based systems. So just go to Google and search for Remote Desktop Mac and hit enter. You need to install Remote Desktop Connection Client. So you can click on this and download. Save file. It's a pretty small file, 9 MB. It will take very few seconds. Once it is downloaded, expand this and just click on it, and it will install the remote desktop. Double click on this, click on OK, click on OK. So it is saying the developer is not recognized, so it is failing. For that, what you have to do is you have to hold command and right click and open, and then it will not warn you to uh, it will not disconnect to install. So what you have to do, hit command which is on the left hand side or right hand side of the space bar, and then right click and then open. Then it will open without any issues, and then continue, agree, install. You have to enter the password. Now it is installed. Close it, close it. Once any software is installed, make sure it is ejected from here. So eject it. Okay, it is ejected. Now you can actually give the IP address of the remote computer. I am giving one of them. So now it is asking for username and password. It might prompt for certificate related issues. Just click on give the positive responses for those kind of prompts. And now we are in the remote desktop. Okay, so this server is accessible from the internet, and I am able to log into this. No need to worry about what I have here, but this is how you can actually connect to the remote desktop using the remote desktop connection on Mac. So any Windows, so if you at workplace, if you have to use Mac and if you have to connect to the Windows servers for any purpose, then you have to follow this route. Install the remote desktop connection and use it like this, and then you can see um, what all are running right now. Here you can see that there is one. If you open multiple things, you will see multiple things here, and then you can navigate between them. You can double click and I think I have to change the preferences to go to the full screen mode. If you are comfortable with full screen mode, yeah, go to view and click on full screen. It will go to the full screen mode. Even in full screen mode, you will be able to access the dock if you move your cursor down. If you want to change the mode, you can again go to You can actually hit command 1 to change the mode. Okay, it's not working. Let me do this. Options. Okay, it's not, there is no easy way to come out of the full screen mode. I think, yeah, hit command 2 to come out of the full screen mode. And if you hit command 1, it will fit into the window. And I'm not sure what does that mean. I think that means the remote desktop will exactly fit in the window which it opens by default. So that is how you can change the mode from full screen to fit to window using command 1 or command 2. And also you can open the recent connections using this. You can open a saved connection using this. You can edit a connection using this. So you can do all those things. So this is my default RDP. So whenever I actually try to connect, it will try to connect to this server. You can change it if you want. You can go to preferences and see what is see certain things, and you can change certain preferences. For example, numlock keys, scroll lock, anything. If you want to disable, you can do that. And then by default you will be able to copy paste the files and all those things, but in Windows the copy paste commands are Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and for Mac it's a different thing. So if you want to copy files but from Mac to Windows, then the way you can do is either you can do drag and drop. So let me do this. Let me open a directory here, and then let me just try to drag and drop a file from here to, sorry, okay, it didn't work. And the way is you can right click on the file, copy, and copy paste is also not working. Command C to copy from Mac and Ctrl+V. Okay, so copy paste is disabled. Previously it worked. I don't know why it is disabled, but you can figure it out. You can go to preferences, probably somewhere here, not the system preferences, I'm sorry. You have to go to RDC preferences, and let's see. Anyway, you can figure it out later. So, but main thing is you should be aware of a tool called RDP to connect to remote desktop connection to connect to the remote Windows desktops or servers in Windows mode. That being said, I hope you enjoy the content on my channel, especially this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you want to provide the feedback, please use the comment section of the video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. You will get to see a lot more content like this over time. Thank you. Bye.